Hello, all. This is Raj Misa, your video marketing coach, and today we are going to download the Tutors Pride app and see how it's going to be like. So I have Google Play Store, which is, as you look at the screen, I'm going to Tutors Pride, and I'm hitting download for the app. I'm clicking on install on my phone. This is live, by the way, as we are trying to access the phone onto the PC and also check how it looks. So I'm clicking open. So there's a difficulty. I'm going to contact the Tutors Pride tech support team to get this sorted out for me with my login ID credentials. So if I choose login with OTP, I'll put in my number and I hit submit. It asks me to enter email ID for my OTP. This is a challenge which I'm facing. I have to speak to Dr. Ankam regarding this. So I'm going back. Let's search. Okay, I'll go back to the Tutors Pride app. So connecting students with the right tutors and the institutions. So I hit skip. So this is how the app looks. It's beautiful. You can see the tutors available. It's like the Uber platform, the best for getting connected with the tutors in your location. You can go through the tutors list of tutors available, which is good. Awesome. Go through them. All are verified. If you go to About Us, again, you have the Tutors Pride About Us description. FAQs, the frequently asked questions as to how Tutors Pride is going to help you, why you should prefer, can you directly communicate? So all the frequently asked questions, go through them. That's awesome. Find tutors, contact us. This is the Hyderabad Delhi office and the support and the terms and conditions which are available. I'm accessing my phone as we go through this platform. So for the parents and students, what are all the terms and conditions? So if you are a tutor out there, subscribe to Tutors Pride. Create lots of content. Hashtag Tutors Pride is something which I keep telling many of the other people who I know. Start creating your content, get to know each other, network with the like-minded people who are working on the same platform. So if you're looking for home tuition as to what it takes to create videos of this art, get in touch with me. I'll be happy to help you out. You have to create content on a daily basis, on a regular basis. So there, awesome team. So is Raj Misa, your video marketing coach. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.